Rely on the unseen forces. We've already been through this in the last 2 weeks. We've been going through these ideas. So I just want to point out 2 ideas, and we're going to go to the next page because it's very important before we end the call tonight. Absence of evidence is not evidence of absence. I love that quote because it's so good. How do you remain in faith when things are not happening externally? You don't see them. How do you remain in faith? How do you remain in belief? You choose to. And you choose to say it's happening. And you say it every single day over and over and over if it's a physical lie because it becomes an expectation. You form an expectation that this is going to happen. You don't question it anymore. And as soon as you hit that expectation, it's like click and it happens. It was surreal being on stage with Bob. I've been on stage with Bob before. I've met Bob a lot of times. I know him. But being on stage at the award ceremony Thursday night, and Bob opening the little box. This little box. Okay. I handed it to Bob. And Bob opened this little box. It's almost like a ring or something. And he took out the little silver pin and undid the little thing at the bottom here and put it in my little suit lapel. I had an overwhelming rush of, it's real. I have visualized that thing many times. I have felt Bob with the pin, put it into my lapel in my imagination. I was vividly seeing myself on stage every single day, over and over and over and over and over. You get the point, right? Over and over and over, until that thing became so real in my mind. The feeling. Once I got on stage, it was an overwhelming, surreal moment, but I also felt it was so expected. It was already a part of who I was. That's why it happened. It was already a part of who I was because I felt it repetitiously every day for so long. Now, it didn't take me years and years to do it. It only took some months. But I had to be willing to feel that in imagination every single day and not quit. Without seeing some evidence some days of like things maybe not going that direction, until I found ideas to make myself in a quantum leap the last few months of what I was doing. That's how you remain in faith. The intensity of this drive of what you want, every day being willing to imagine it, to feel it, to study TIR without exception, making sure you do the work every single day so that your mind starts to shift in consciousness. You got it. You have the power. You have the resources. You have the ideas. You have everything inside of you already. It's being in the zone of saying, I am willing to do this every day. And if things aren't happening, bullshit. They are happening. They are happening in a realm that I cannot see, but I can feel. That's where you get the faith. You want to tell yourself that every single day in that little rampage. You say, you know what? I don't even need physical evidence. I got this. It's already done in my mind. And if I see it, I can do it. It's going to become a reality. And when you get your mind on that frequency, you attract the less needy side of you and the more desired side of you. And when that needy side drips away, needing to see evidence, it comes. Rely on the unseen forces.